So, if you want to quickly and easily do a face swap like this, meaning editing a photo to put someone's head on someone else's body, you can do it without Photoshop, inside Google Gemini. So, go to the Gemini website or app, then press this Create Images button, and make sure this toggle is set to Thinking so that it uses the Pro model. Now we'll need to add our two images, the person who will be the body and the person who will be the head. You can either press Add Files and then upload the photos from your file directory, or you can just copy and paste the images into the chat box. Now add a prompt similar to this, asking it to edit the head onto the body by giving small descriptions of each of the images. For example, the man wearing the vest and the soccer player. We'll also tell it, make modifications for skin tone and body composition so it looks more realistic, and then press Submit. Here's what it gives us. Good, but it looks unrealistic that the sun is shining on him but not his head. We'll prompt it again so that there is sun shining on his face in the context of the rest of the image. And what we get now is realistic, which we can download. For another example, I'll give it these two images. Edit the image of the shirtless man by realistically editing in the head of the suited man onto him. And here's what we get.